morning, everybody. I thought I would just film an everyday makeup look, chit chat, get ready with me. I think, honestly, great makeup starts with amazing skin. This is the best. The Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I've washed, exfoliated. Look, it's like nearly finished. I've been using retinols on my skin and I just feel like it's so much drier. Gorgeous. Love to give myself a little bit of a massage. Also moisturize my décolletage. Today I'm just meeting up with a friend. Singapore's still in a mini lockdown, but we're allowed to go to shopping malls and get takeaway coffee and things like that. Retail is still open and we're allowed to see 2 people a day, which it really does make a big difference. I got my makeup done by a professional in Australia and he literally spent half the time prepping my skin because it looks more youthful, more supple if you just moisturize it and give it a little face massage. Did I say that it helps with the circulation? Going to continue on with the skin prep. This is the Brightening Youth Glow and the Wonder Glow, both from Charlotte Tilbury. Pop it on there. This one sort of has a turn around tired dull skin and a beauty flash. So it's powered by a fluorescent core that converts UV light into skin luminosity for an instant soft finish. So I'm just gonna, in a way, mix that up. I've been using this for years. It's the CC Cream by IT Cosmetics with SPF 50. If I'm just going about my day, I'm not on camera or anything like that, I feel like this is the best option because it's super moisturizing, full coverage though, lightweight. I don't know, just makes my skin just look like skin but better. And I just use this, is it called a paddle brush? This is from Burberry. And I just use that to sort of distribute it around my face, including my eyelids. LOL, look how I spread that. Okay, I finally brought myself a mirror because I was just using the camera viewfinder to do this, but clearly that's just not working for me. That is the patchiest makeup I've ever seen. Okay, and then I've got a damp beauty blender, which I'll just use to press it all over the skin. I pretty much learnt to do my own makeup when I was starting my career, but I sort of got better and better as I went along and learnt more things because surprisingly, on shoots you are expected to do your own makeup most of the time, but also I just found that I preferred my own makeup. I mean, I know my own face better than anyone else. And I don't know, like I feel like I do have small features, and if someone does my makeup in a different way, I can look like a completely different person. And my job, presenting, is all about confidence. And when someone does my makeup in a way that doesn't enhance me, then I feel really uncomfortable. Okay. I'm gonna do my brows. This is Gucci in 01. Just brush them up using the spoolie, fill in the gaps. Usually I would do concealer. I don't really know why today I jumped straight to brows. I'm random like that sometimes. I know most makeup artists, I feel, do eyes before they do skin because of droppage from eyeshadow and things like that. But I don't know, I almost need to see what my skin's gonna look like before I do my eyes. I don't know. I really don't know how to explain that. Now I'm gonna use this Tarte Hydro Sealer. I've sort of changed the way I do my concealer now as well. I get a shadow at the jowl area, so I like to just lighten that up. Here, I get redness here. Got a little, can you see my little friend up here? Bit red. Just do that. Just a little bit of here. Do you know what I'm doing really? Blend it out. And then I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty cream. How can I film with you being, oh my gosh. And then for blush, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty cream in Berry Cool. It's kind of strange. I didn't really know what to do with it at first. It looks purple. Look at what I've done. I've done it really high on one side and really low on the other. Ugh, I'm a mess. Then I'll just use a blush brush. I feel like I'm not that great with blush. I either do too much or too little. So I can look like a clown. Or I look like I've got nothing on at all. So I've done that, but I'm just gonna go over it with my same beauty blender and just sort of buff it off a little bit. Bronzing, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush. Why can't I speak? This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. Getting there. Okay, next up I'm using this Chanel waterproof contour long-lasting eyeliner garbage truck in espresso. It's just like this. A catwing. I just do it pretty messily, to be honest, because I'm going to use a Q-tip to clean it up. Like, it looks hideous. Look how blunt it is. I'm just gonna sort of go here and draw it forward. Because I have hooded eyes, I can't really do that sort of V in the inner corner. It just doesn't work because my eyelids connect. I don't really know how to explain it. So this is how I achieve that sort of fox eye look. Again, like, I'm just being quite messy. Don't worry, guys. I'll clean this up in a jiffy. I get one of these guys, a pointed Q-tip, and I'll just sort of lift up my eye and then drag it up. Coming together, that's for sure. Whew, I'm hot in her. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in Pillow Talk. Cult favorite shade. This side of my lip is actually a little bit thinner, so I overcompensate by drawing it a bit more. I'm going to use this Chanel, okay, it's tiny, Rouge Allure in Ink Fusion in Beige Naturel. I love this. It's a bit gross because I've used it so much. Okay, it's super hot in Singapore, as it is every day. So I'm just going to use a bit of Laura Mercier, is it setting powder? I can't remember what it's called. Around here, set the eyes in there. Laugh lines, chin, moustache, forehead. And then I'll get a bigger brush, this guy here, and just get a little bit more. And just sweep it over my whole face. I'm gonna set the whole thing with this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Pull back my hair. And that will set everything and just melt it all in together. I'm just going to add some Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. And I'm gonna add my little Vivienne Westwood pearl necklace.